All right, guys, samples are up. On the bottom right, you will see a medium gray. Next to that is a light gray. And on the left of that is a midnight blue. Um, all the white you see is the primer. We have started priming all of the brick, got most of that done. The white you see on top is our new TPO roofs. Here is where we had a shipping container that served as our maintenance/storage. Now it's removed and we will be converting into a dog park because the asphalt below it is 3 or 4 layers below grade and it's cheaper than fixing it. And here you can see where we've replaced all of the siding with hardy. We still have some hardy and some brick to prime as we go along. But this is the property we're working on right now. It consists of 2 buildings totaling 88 units, of which we are renovating 60 of them right now. I don't know if you recall in the beginning, there was actually a strip of covered parking all along this face of the building, which has since been removed and to really open it up. And all the white you see is again is the primer. In this shot, really just kind of showcasing the street view at dusk with all the lights. Really excited to see what that will look like with the new fixtures.